Oh, good morning. Hi, 80s. Hi, bud. And part of me just don't want to be up. The sun's so bright and warm. I'm gonna have to start going to sleep a little bit earlier. Well, I didn't film anything yesterday, but Hades and me went to the dog park, and then we went to a regular park, and I was flying the drone, and I hit a street light, a lamp base, and it fell, and it hit the ground, and where it hit the ground, it actually hit, like, it landed right on the gimbal, so there's like a little hairline crack on the bottom of the gimbal, and now I can't get it to stabilize or do anything. So kind of bummed that I've only owned the drone for like 4 days and I've already messed it up. It's super fun. I flew under a bridge, dude. I'll put the bridge flight like right after this, because it was super fun. And I was having a good time, and then I put it in sports mode, and yeah, it was a little too fast for me, and I wasn't prepared for it, I guess. But I'm gonna try to actually open it up and see if I could fix it or something. I don't even know. I was looking online, and like a whole new gimbal is like $100, but I just don't have $100 right now to buy another gimbal after spending what I spent on the drone itself. So kind of bummed that I did that. I got overzealous, and I was like, oh, I want to be speed racer, but I mean, I see why it's an expensive hobby. It seems like every kind of hobby that I get into is an expensive one. But yeah, what's on the docket for today? Man, dude, I just do not want my eyes open. It's so bright, guys. It's so bright outside. There's an RC store. They specialize in RCs, but I'm figuring that they'll have tiny screwdrivers, and you're just allowed to go in there and work on your RCs. So maybe I could take the drone over there, work on it. That would be cool. Other than that, I don't have anything really planned for today. I guess you guys are just coming along on the ride with me, so yeah, let's see what I end up doing after my eyes adjust to all this brightness. Alright, so I told my dad what happened about the drone, and I have it right here. So he left some tools out and everything for me. He said you can swing by the house and work on it there if you want. So I'm gonna go upstairs, see if they have the tools that I need, and I'm gonna try to get into this thing and try to see what's wrong with it. I watched a couple videos on how to repair the gimbal. I'm hoping that maybe just the connection to the gimbal, once it fell from the sky, that it just kind of popped out. So when I open it up, I'm just gonna check and see if that connection's there, and if I could just pop it back in, or if I broke the cables that are like connected to the drone, that means, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a whole new gimbal assembly for the drone, which means it'll basically be useless to me for a while, because like I was saying, I don't have the money right now to fix that, and it's not a priority, I guess. because I'm gonna be going to North Carolina here in a couple of days. So just kind of chilling around San Jose. Not really gonna be going anywhere crazy like the beach or anything for the next couple of days. Just gonna be sticking around here, chilling. Yeah, so that's the game plan for right now. Try to fix the drone, because it would be awesome to take that with me on this trip and actually have it working. But yeah, we'll see, hopefully. All right, so I got my drone here. Got to do some screws, watching Wubby. I know I watched a video so well and paid attention so well that I retained how to actually get into this thing, so pretty happy about that. If I do need to, I'll just pull it up on the screen, but all the tools right here, like, look how small. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to test that out right now, but I also got another small, and they're like star. Yeah, they're stars, but all right, wish me luck. All right, well, that didn't go as planned. Even though these are super small, like the screws are even, like those holes that you got to get into are even smaller, and so I mean that's just fitting in there. Not even close to the size. I need even smaller. So I guess I will need to go to a hobby store or something to figure this out, because man, dude, yeah, it's just upsetting. All right, so before I head over to the RC car place, I'm gonna stop over at a mobile repair shop just to see if they even know anything about drones. I've gone here a couple times for old phones and they were able to fix them up and stuff. I'm not hoping that they could actually fix the drone. I'll ask about it, but if anything, I would like to just be able to buy like the star tools that I need. So I'm hoping that they just have the tools that I need to fix this thing, because I feel like that's the hardest part, is finding the tools at this point now. So wish me luck. So I dropped off the drone at KT Electronic. They said they'll take a look at it. Hopefully it's an easy fix. That's what I'm hoping. If not, and they can't get it going, I'm just gonna, or if they figure out what's wrong with it, I'll just grab it back from them and then figure it out myself. But if they fix it, that's freaking awesome. Yeah, other than that, Dana hit me up. He's actually getting alignment right now, and I'm about to pull up on him. And yeah, so that's going on for the day right now. Yeah, I'm gonna. All right, sounds good. I'll be right behind you. All right, let's go over Dana's. Alright, so left Dana's and I am getting ready for a date right now that I am excited for. We've been talking to this person. She seems really nice, and yeah, just gonna go to one of my favorite spots, round one, so should be pretty chill, should be a good time. I will talk to you all later. Wish me luck. A little dark. Ugh, it's a little dark. There we go. There's some light. Ooh, horror stories. No, not a horror story, actually. So it is 12:02, and I'm just getting back from having an amazing time with an amazing person. Man, I mean, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've like enjoyed like being in the dating scene, I guess you could say. It's I don't know, it's funny because like I wasn't really technically looking for anybody or searching, but man, that was a really good date. And I'm excited to go on the next one, so hopefully before the first, because I mean even then, this Friday I'm gonna be taking off to go down towards LA, and you know, so time is drawing near for my trip to go to Elements on the Dragon, because I'm going to Elements on the Dragon. And whoa, my camera's acting up. Hopefully that doesn't come through in the video. But yeah, so amazing night, perfect way to end the night. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog, and have a good night, have a good morning, have a good day, whenever you're watching this. But for me, I'm gonna set up, get ready for bed, and go to sleep, guys. See ya.